Understanding the phrase, on a loop, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, on a loop. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or everyday conversations. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned. On a loop is a phrase that originates from the concept of a loop in music or video, where a segment repeats itself continuously. When we say something is on a loop, we mean it's repeating over and over in a continuous cycle. It can be used literally, like a song playing repeatedly, or metaphorically, like a thought or feeling recurring in one's mind. Literal use. In its literal sense, on a loop can refer to any continuous repetition of a sound or image. For example, the DJ played the song on a loop all night. I left the funny video on a loop because it made my baby laugh. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, it describes thoughts, emotions, or events that recur persistently in one's mind or life. For example, the day's embarrassing moment was on a loop in her mind. He kept replaying the argument on a loop in his head. To help you understand better, let's look at some everyday scenarios. 1. Music and entertainment. My little brother plays his favorite cartoon on a loop. 2. Personal thoughts and feelings. After the interview, all my answers were on a loop in my mind, making me anxious. 3. Events and activities. The gym seems to have the same playlist on a loop. It's getting monotonous. Now, try to create your own sentences using on a loop. Be careful not to confuse on a loop with phrases like in a loop or by loop. Each of these has different meanings and uses. On a loop specifically refers to the repetition of something in a continuous cycle. And that's all on the phrase, on a loop. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in your conversations. Remember, practice is key in language learning. Keep experimenting with new phrases and expressions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.